Welcome to Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself, Chauhan Digvijay. Today, in this video presentation, I would like to teach the students of Standard 2. My subject is English. Unit number 2. Name of unit, sentences, topics covered, definition, different examples of sentences. Dear friends, in my previous video, we learnt about capital letters, small letters, alphabetical order, vowels and consonants. Now in this video I would like to teach you something about sentences. Okay? So friends, before I start my lesson, I would like to say something about the definition of a sentence. What is a sentence? Yes, first of all, you have to understand this, otherwise, you will not be able to learn this lesson. So, friends, I would like to give a definition of a sentence like this. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. A sentence is a group of words. सेंटेंस एक प्रकार का ग्रुप है डिफरेंट वर्ड्स का जो कंप्लीट सेंस बनाता है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Please keep in mind, remind this. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Now friends, you have to remember before giving my answer. So, read this group of words. Can you see a picture of a boy? Yes. So I am reading this group of words. A, the boy. Second, the boy eating. C, the boy is eating an apple. So now look at the definition of a sentence. What I told you, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, so here friends, A, the boy, can it make complete sense? No. The boy eating? No. The boy is eating an apple? Yes. This group of words make complete sense. So, and it also begins with a capital letter. So the boy is eating an apple. Here C is sentence. Okay, now friends, I would like to teach you some more examples. I would like to clarify your doubts about sentence. The first two group of words in our previous slide, we have seen that the first two groups of words A and B do not make complete sense. The third group of words C makes complete sense. Okay friends, it is a sentence. C is a sentence. All words stand in their proper places to make a complete sentence. All words stand in their proper places. They stand in their proper places to make a complete sentence. Suppose if they move out, if all words move out, the sentence is no longer a sentence. Okay, friends? Have you understood or not? All the words stand in their proper places to make a complete sentence. If they move out, the sentence is no longer a sentence. Have you understood what I want to say, friends? Yeah. Now, friends, you have been familiar with a sentence. Okay. Now, what will you have to do is that here I have given one exercise I will do for your understanding, but watch it carefully, listen to me carefully. So here I have given three groups, okay? Three options A, B and C, okay? And I have given some pictures related to this group of words. Now, number one, look at the first picture. Yes, can you see? Yes, the boy, yes. Okay. So I am reading option A, group of words. The boy, second, means B. The boy sitting, C. The boy is sitting on a chair. So here, friends, you will have to tick the right group of words that are sentences. Okay. So the boy, does it make a complete sense? No. The boy sitting, does it make complete sense? No. The boy is sitting on a chair. It makes a complete sense. Okay. So dear friends, C is the right option. Okay, friends? Have you understood or not? Yes. Okay. Now look at the second picture. Okay. Some birds are there. Can you see or not? Yes. So I am reading three options A, B, C. In A, I have written birds. In B, I have written birds are flying in the sky. Okay, friends? Number C, birds are. So, birds, only birds. Can you understand? Birds, but what? Okay. Does it make complete sense? No, friends. Then B, birds are flying in the sky. Yes, the birds are flying in the sky. It makes a complete sense. Okay, friends? So B is the right option. C, birds are. Birds are. Can you understand? What? Birds are. So here, friends, B is the right option. Now look at the third example. Third group of words. Okay, friends? Now I have given three options. You can see a picture. A boy. Yes, a boy is eating something. Okay, friends? Now I will read these three options. A, Tom is eating an ice cream. B, is eating an. C, Tom is. So friends, if we look at option B, is eating an, but what? Does it make a complete sense? No friends. Then option C, Tom is, but what? It also does not make a complete sense. So friends, option A, Tom is eating an ice cream is the right option. Have you understood or not? Yes. Now friends, look at the next picture. Yes, can you see? Whose picture is this? Yes, a monkey. Yes. What is in its hand? Yes, can you see? Yes, a banana. Yeah. So, again I am reading three options. A, the monkey is eating the monkey is eating a banana. Option B, a banana. C, is eating. So here friends, a banana. Does it make a complete sense? Do you understand any meaning of this group of words? No. Then again C, is eating. Is eating, but what? Who is eating? What is it eating? Does it make a complete sense? No friends. So, fourth A, the monkey is eating a banana. It makes a complete sense. It also starts with a capital letter, friends. Do you get my point? Yes, very good. Now, come to next page. Now, dear friends, you will have to fill in the blanks with suitable words to complete this sentence. Okay, to complete this sentences. Use words given below. Okay, now you will have to fill in the blanks with suitable words. Okay, friends. Now I have given some words into bracket. You will have to use it in suitable blank. Okay, and to make it complete sentence. Now the words: first, rises; second, throws; third, eats; fourth, drinks; fifth, reads. Okay friends, now I have given some pictures. Can you see or not? Yeah. So friends, in the first picture you can see the cow. What does it do? Yes, it eats something. Can you see? Yeah. Second picture. Yes. Whose picture is this? Of a girl. Yes. She does something. Okay. Now, friends, the sun. The picture of rising sun. Okay. Can you see? Fourth number. Yes. The boy is throwing something. Can you see? Yes. He is throwing a ball. Okay, friends. So, you will have to fill in the blanks with these proper or suitable words. Now, friends, I am reading these 5 blanks. The cow. So, which option will I will write here? The cow blank grass. Okay, friends. So, First option, the cow rises grass. No. The cow throws grass. No. The cow eats grass. Yes, the cow eats grass. So here friends, I will write this in which blank? First blank. Okay friends, first blank. Can you see or not? Yes. Okay, so we will use it in a first blank. Okay, so friends, now second one, the girl blank a book. You have written this first, it's in the first blank, so four options remain. The girl drinks a book. No. The girl reads a book. Yes friends, the girl reads a book. So this option will I write in the second blank. Okay friends, now third one, the sun. Yes, the sun rises in the east. So I will write this at the third blank. Okay, now friends, the boy. Yes, the boy throws a ball. Yes, he is playing with the ball and he throws a ball. Okay friends, now I will write it number 4. Now friends, last and final, I have not given this picture, but you can now write easily because only one option is remain. So which option is remain now? Drinks. Yes, the boy drinks milk. Okay friends, the boy drinks milk. So now friends, you have been very familiar with this at first. Okay, and the last one is fifth. Okay, so now friends, you have been familiar with what we can call a sentence. So you will have to friends make 10 different sentences. Can you make? By using different group of words that makes a complete sentence. You have to remember first, all the sentence always start with a capital letter. Okay friends, now you will have to write all these exercises in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can call me, you can message me. Okay friends, now I would like to conclude this lesson. Thank you very much.